Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are back at it again with Spark Subs. So I'm going to be showing you March's Spark Sub, which was called Magic Springs. There are 4 physical options and 1 printable option. So you have the full Spark, Spark Mini, Spark Freestyle, and Spark Love. So let's go ahead, get into it. I know I said this about Galaxy Yums, but this one was literally everything I could have hoped for. It came out so good. So for full Spark, you got the hollow die cut, your postcard. This is my favorite thing in the world. I told my artist that I wanted it to seem like fairies lived like in the Amazon rainforest, but a volcano was there and it erupted, and that eruption turned into the Amazon River, and she came through for me here. If you are new here, Spark Subs are totally exclusive art. I work really hard to come up with concepts, and a lot of my concepts don't exactly exist until I think of them, and I work with an artist and we just make my dreams come true. So this is your functional sheet. The full boxes were absolutely everything I could have hoped for. Like, oh my gosh. They came out so perfect, y'all. So perfect. These shoes, bomb. Look at those boots. So amazeballs. Let's see if I can cut it down a little bit. Yeah, I probably did have the exposure up hella high. Okay. And like, look at her curly hair. Like, everything is yas. Date covers and some more half boxes. I always put patterns in my half boxes. And then I also put patterns in my icons. Your headers and labels, full box checklist, glitter headers, and washi. So that is your full Spark. Now the mini kit is the same, but it only has 4 sheets. So in the mini Spark, the hollow die, the postcard deco, your icon sheet, functional sheet, full boxes, and the date covers. So that is a 4-sheet kit plus the deco, and the extras for the Spark Mini are the postcard and the hollow die. So I mentioned in the intro video that the extras will kind of trickle down. If I have any extras left over from my order, then I will put them in the next option. So for March, all of the options got the extra die cut. And let's move into Spark Freestyle, which is like my favorite part because I spend so much time designing Spark Freestyle. I'm sorry if that was really loud. But I spend so much time on this, and I just try my best to make it unique every single month so that you don't get the same items every month. So for the Spark Freestyle, you get the postcard. You will always get a bigger size sheet, and I had a lot of fun with this one. I really liked the date covers and the magic. I'm really into like those big scripts like that, so I really love the way this came out. And then like the torn washi pieces, like that's amazeballs. So you'll always get a bigger sheet. You will always get a deco sheet, and sometimes the deco sheet will be different than the deco sheet that's in the full and mini Spark, just because sometimes I like to make the deco for the Spark Freestyle a little bit bigger just because it is meant for journaling. Then you'll get a smaller sheet with extra elements on it. I really liked this divider this time. And then I decided I wanted to use more of this image because I love it so much, so I basically turned it into like a big sticker. Yeah, it's just a big sticker. Like, you can punch it, you can turn it into a cover, you can do so many things with this, but I just thought it was really cool, so I included it. And then I tried something totally new. I decided to give it a go and just do a sheet of letters. I tried to include double the letters that I feel like we use the most. And of course you get the hollow die cut. So those are like the sheets that come in Spark Freestyle, but we also have the die cut pack here. So I always do a die cut backing card. I really wanted something that could be like reused, you know, so you can cut off the die cut pack part and just have an extra die cut there. So I like that. And there's so many pieces to this, y'all. I have a big stamp sticker this time. It's bigger than a full box. Some smaller cards. You Are Pure Magic. I loved this one because of the shoes. Like those shoes. I want a pair. I know that they exist somewhere. Like I need to find that pair of boots and buy them because I need them. Another card, and then this one I absolutely love as well. Like this thing was just everything. And then I decided to do the girl as a separate die cut, and there's so many smaller pieces this time too. All right, so let me just kind of zoom in here a little bit so I can just go through them much faster. So I did a photograph. How gorgeous is that? All right, here we go. We've got mushroom. Lots of just different stuff. I have, this is a little sticker sheet with a banner on it. Some butterflies, and this, I just really like this patch of grass. I just thought that was cool. A tag, and then just a lot of other little extras that you can use to decorate your journal with. It's just, oh, I just love the way it turned out this month. It's so magical, it's so perfect, it's so me. So all of that is Spark Freestyle. Final option is Spark Love. And yeah, you can peel that sticker up. When I watch people's videos, they're always like, can I keep this sticker? And they're always like, whoa, it peels up. Yeah, it totally peels up. It might get stuck to your hand, but it peels off the wrapper. Alright, so Spark Love is our option, or my option because I'm the only one here, is my option that it's just kind of like a pick-me-up. It's the most affordable option. It's just filled with love and self-care, and this option is my baby. I say that every time, but it really is my baby. I'll start at the top this time. So you get the hollow die, this die cut, talk the talk, walk the walk, because the boots, again, love the boots. Self-made magic, I am magic, and I did include I think 2 or 3 extra die cuts this time because I had like more space on the paper, and well, like I didn't want to waste the paper, so you got more stuff. So in Spark Love you'll also always get 2 to 3 mini spark notes. You can put them in a lunchbox or leave them around the house for yourself or give them to a friend. Like, the options are endless. The first one says, you must never underestimate your capabilities. You are capable of magic. You are magic. Be magic. And the inside is perfect for you to put stickers or write a note. And then I put the potion bottle on the back. And the second one says, you were always meant to spread your wings and fly. And the color on this one is just gorgeous. So pretty. Let's see what else we got. We have a self-love card. The sign is like pointing you to self-love. A potion cabinet. And like, y'all, it's been a couple weeks since I went through this, so we're kind of going through it together. And then also 2 spark cards. So the first one says, be still like a mountain and flow like a river. On the back I have the logo and some nice sparks back there. You can also write a note on the back of here. And then the second one says, magic is something you make. And then lastly you get a mini sticker sheet, which usually has just cool inspirational quotes. And sometimes I add a little bit of deco on there. Oh baby, I'm absolutely worth it. Born magical. I was born to fly high. Never let your wings be stolen. I'm here for it. Like I said, I don't know if Spark Love or Spark Freestyle, which one is my favorite option. I just know that I love them both. So that is everything that came in Spark Love. So those are all the options, and I'm just gonna like pile it all up because I never get to see them all together. But Magic Springs was literally just a dream come true. I just wanted to create this magical place, and yeah, it came out so amazing. So thank you so much for watching this video. Oh, you guys, I can show you the preview for April Sparks Up, which is conservation, because Earth Day is in April and I really wanted to do something for that. And here is the preview. Isn't it gorgeous? I just love everything about it, and I hope that the conservation theme can just inspire some of us to just do a little bit better. Like, I know we're not perfect, but like every single inkling of change that you can make towards our planet can make a world of difference. So again, April's theme is conservation, and I hope y'all love it as much as I do. So thank you again for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.